Hello again, my good people. We have to fix something. So here I have my old Bosch vacuum cleaner. It was working pretty well. Now it's changed to a lithium battery, so everything it's nice related to the power and endurance and time of charging or something. Anyway, the problem is that when I turn it on, this brushes here should moving like this. But unfortunately, after a while they got stuck. So I suspect a kind of gears problem, or anyway, we have to take a look inside there. So far I realized that I have to take out these wheels, these two wheels, because there are two hidden screws behind there. Sometimes I have to open this hatch here to access the belt. There is a belt, this one, and this one sometimes is going higher, I mean under the wheels here, and that's a mess. In fact, I believe we can take this out without working the belt, like that. And it's free. Okay, let's open all the stuffs here. Screws, screws, and more screws. I love screws. I never opened this guy, so I'm not sure what's inside there. If it's a simple motor and a belt, or kind of reduction gear case. Let's see. Okay, so this goes up. And there we go. Well, I have to say that is just a simple motor. Okay. I don't see anything wrong about this guy here. No. It's pretty okay. The belt is fine. Let's clean this a little. Okay, I can take this out easily. Little oil doesn't hurt. Okay, let's get some power. Yeah, working fine. Of course, a lot of dirt. That's normal. I never opened this. I never cleaned this. Now, let's have this guy back. Well, it's looking pretty okay. It's not wasted. And we have a washer, plastic washer, maybe. And now, all we have to do is to put these things back. How can I move this? Well, I can't. My idea was to get this a little bit farther. We can do that if I'm doing a kind of... Yeah, I'll do that. I'll make some room this side of the plastic to increase the distance and somehow to have the belt, more tension in the belt, I was trying to say. Half a millimeter, that's enough. We don't need too much. That should be okay. Super glue. I'm sorry, hot glue. Let me clean these brushes in the meantime. Well, the motor is working on 18 volts. I can see that now clear. And of course I have to dig here also a little. Which side? This side. Yes. Exactly what I'm trying to do is to get a little bit more tension into the belt. Kind of crazy idea, but I think it will work. I need a magnet here to recover these screws. And I got this washer handy. I can use it. You see this one? This is a kind of card paper, and I can have it right here. And in case of the belt, it's running away. Okay, are you ready? Perfect. Yes, I'll keep it like that for now. Hopefully I increased the belt tension. We can safely put this back together. The motor is finally in place. Now I have to attach the belt somehow. I have to try this into this. Is this cable smashed? No. So now we have a washer there that will keep somehow the belt away from the axle. You see this one, the red one? It's oiled, and we should successfully put it back in place. I enlarged this for better tension. I push the motor this way to have a longer distance to the brushes. That will assure a little bit more contact or tension. Okay, everything's fine here. Let's have the top in place. Just a few screws to... Oh, what about the wires? No, the wires are okay. It's looking good. I don't see any problems. Now let's have the brush back. This goes in here. And push it down. Then once we have this back in place, you see this piece of plastic here will push the brush to the left. So here it's no more way to get it out or to run out. We have a short one to keep this in place. Okay, looking good. We should have a working piece of technology, which I have to say it's overpriced, overestimated. Look there. Oh yeah. Now it's working. It's not blocking anymore. So that's a kind of success. You see the single advantage for this kind of vacuums are not the vacuum itself. No. It's this rotary brushes doing all the job. You know, cleaning little dust parts or something, rests. And by the way, these brushes are very good for cleaning hair, carpets, rugs, whatever, hairy stuffs. Okay, let's have the wheels back in place. These are important. And a final test. Oh yeah. It's powerful. It's really powerful. So, yes, people, this is a fixed. What I have done, I just put a little bit of tension, more tension into the device, and the brushes are not blocking or getting blocked so easily like before. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button, and like always, thanks to my sponsors. Thanks Radu, thanks Vlad, and thanks Chuck. And you know, don't forget to have fun. Rule number 1. Bye bye.